Alright, so today we're going to check some fluids in the truck. Let's see. Alright, so we have a kit here that basically can test for the acidity and the general health of both coolants and brake fluids. So this is a used vehicle that I bought. I'm the second owner or the third, I'm not sure. In any case, I wanted to know how the coolant looked, and so we take one of these strips out, you submerge it in the coolant, and you wait 30 seconds, and within 5 minutes compare pad colors to determine when to correct or replace coolant. And then we have brake fluid as well. You dip it in the brake fluid, you wait 90 seconds, compare pad color to determine when to replace the brake fluid. There's a bunch in here. Got this little card here. Brake strip, coolant strip. So I'm going to grab one right here. They come in individually sealed containers. And put that there. Let's see, so I'm actually going to get this guy ready. Did a quick little reading here under the cap, under the radiator cap right here. We just opened it up, took a little reading here, and basically in looking it over right here, it looks like we have really good health. It looks like our glycol base is at 100%, and it looks like the acidity level is around a 9. So that's great. So you can see the purple here towards my finger, and that matches the purple on the strip at the front. And then we have our dark green, which is matching number 9 on here for acidity. So that looks great. Okay, so now in this brake fluid here, okay, and I got a full amount of fluid on there. So now we're just going to let that sit for a second while we put the cap back on. So the brake fluid, it says to wait for 90 seconds, compare pad color to determine. So far we have a really light pink. It's almost looking like it's 10. And it's white on the other one. So yeah, I mean it's looking really good actually. Okay, so our fluids are looking really good, both cases. We're going on a long trip here soon, and I just wanted to kind of check. So again, I would say that we have 100% glycol based on the purple here next to my thumb, and then the dark green is about a 9. It could even maybe be arguably between a 9 and 11. So that's for the coolant. So the pH corrosion is relatively decent. And going here to looking at the brake fluid, again, we have about a 10, I would say, and then we have a complete white on the other reading. So again, I'd say that it's looking very healthy. In any case, we're just going to put all these tabs back on and call it a day. Do a few more checks with basic maintenance, but that's it. Thank you for watching.